I want to ask you about diabetes because Business Today recently wrote, and so many other stories have emerged where certain class of medicines are now being more seen as weight loss drugs. Uh, how is that space emerging?
I think it's the the weight loss seen in these drugs, Ozempic, Wegovy, and the Lilly product, is just miraculous. We never saw that level of weight reduction with a medicine, and I think it's a very um, great development for people who are prone to putting on weight or diabetic in nature. And I think so far the side effects are also not very serious. So I'm very optimistic that this new class of products called GLP-1 agonists are going to make a big difference.
One of the concerns, Mr. Prasad, that's been reported about is, and you touched upon it, side effects and framework for utilization, because we found out that they're being imported off sort of from
Compounded,
the
imported.
grey market and all kinds of, and people are basically trying it out. Is that safe? Because I think there's a wave, and people don't come out and talk about it, but very clearly something's happening.
Yeah, I think that's the risk of this product. And I think the regulator and the companies, pharmaceutical companies which are launching this product, should work together to, ensure that these drugs are taken under proper medical supervision, and ensure that every drug has side effects. And if they're misused, it's not good for the people.
Is there a need for any sort of additional protocols in this regard? Because broad frameworks
No,
exist.
the trials were very successful, but any prescription medicine should be taken under the supervision of a medical doctor.
Why I'm continue to persist on this topic is because we are the diabetes capital of the world, and frankly, if that is taken care of, and if weight loss is a added benefit, that would be right. But
Weight loss is beneficial in many ways, not just for diabetes, for cardiovascular risk, for many things.
and subsequent complications that occur. Yes.
So hypertension, all of this, you get relief from that if you lose your weight.
Do you have a sense of how big this opportunity is in terms of these specific drugs?
I think it's going to be massive. Novo itself, I think people are talking about a $20 billion revenue from this drug alone.
And does this interest your company separately?
We being a generic company, we will always follow what sells as a brand. We will make equivalent versions and launch them upon patent expiry.
Okay, so that's still some time away.
Yes.